Good morning from LA.
Morning
Guys, day 3 in LA, and today we are visiting the Griffith's Observatory.
I think it's actually just Griffith, Max.
Oh, Griffith Observatory. We're quite close to it, our accommodation. We are on Melrose Avenue at the top end, not in the nice area. Actually no, this is a decent area. We've parked somewhere all the way down here, and then we're going to head to our first stop, Griffith Observatory. And then later on, what are we doing, George?
Coming back.
We're
going to get a crumble cookie today, I'll try to. And then our flight out to New York is tonight at 10 o'clock, so we need to get to the airport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get a crumble cookie and then probably just chill for the rest of the day. And we have arrived. We're in our little trusty Fiat, if you haven't noticed already. If you want to see more footage of that, watch the 2 previous videos where we're driving around LA in it with the roof down. Pretty cool. We are parked right at the bottom because it's free parking. It was like 10 bucks up at the top, but you can get a free shuttle. So we just parked here, and then we're gonna jump on the bus if we can find it, and then head up to the observatory now.
Okay, we're gonna go and get a little coffee, wake us up a little bit.
We are on Roosevelt's golf course. That's the name of it. So if it's famous, let us know. I'm pretty sure it is because it's right up by the Griffith's Observatory, but we're gonna grab a coffee now. Looks decent in here. I was tempted to get one of them, but I got an iced mocha instead. What are you getting, George?
I'm wondering what the Ryan Gosling special is.
Ryan Gosling? Oh, it's an iced mocha?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's just like a little joke. There's like a guy from the Green Theater that comes down. He says it's like Ryan Gosling, and that's his.
So I got a Ryan Gosling. Apparently the guy, I don't know if you heard the lady, he comes in and asks for one. It's an iced mocha though. I didn't realise, but that's my drink anyway. We're gonna give it a taste test now. It's alright. What did you get, George?
I got a rose vanilla latte,
Oh,
ice.
What is that? What's that?
I'm not sure, but I just like the sound of it.
Give it a taste test.
Needs a stir, but
What is it?
interesting. It tastes like rose, but like kind of like rose lemonade. Is that a thing?
Oh right, interesting.
But with vanilla, with coffee.
Oh nice, never heard of that before.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Neither.
So we're gonna drink these now and then walk up to the observatory. Oh no, actually shuttle up.
I'm not walking.
Yeah, I'm not walking either. We're running for the bus. We've just seen the bus. Come on, Georgie. We made it. And we have arrived. Look at the view from above, it's amazing. Oh, and you can see the Hollywood sign. Sick. And there is the Griffith Observatory. It seems like you can walk on top of it, so we'll give that a go. How do you like it, George?
Yeah, I like it. It's nice.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
So apparently some like films were made here, like Terminator, I think, and I think there was bits of La La Land and something else, but I can't think what. But we're just gonna walk in now, see what it's like.
So this here is a pendulum, as you can see, which doesn't stop because there's magnets up here that allow it to effectively move perpetually. But yeah, that's pretty cool, and it's with the rotation of the Earth. So yeah, that's sick. You can get yourself a Griffith Observatory passport, and it has like all the stops in and stuff in the building, so you can like get stamps, I think. But look at these, some of the photos taken from here, I presume. They're really cool. We've come downstairs, look at this amazing photo taken from the... Oh no, this is further up, so this is where we are now. That's the city, and then what we got on camera before was this little district area here. That's amazing. I think this is like a show here or something. Oh wow. It's like a recreation or something. we'll go and check out what these are. I don't know what they are. Planets. Oh yeah, they are planets. Yeah, is that Jupiter? And then that's Neptune.
That's Saturn, isn't it?
Oh, that's Saturn. Oh, I don't know. I don't know the planets.
Saturn, right?
I think so. Oh yeah, maybe this one's Saturn and that one's Jupiter.
Or Mars.
So they have got the planets lined up. So Georgie was right. That one's Saturn. That one's Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
Sorry, but
Wow, look at the size difference. That's amazing.
Why is Pluto not considered a planet, or wasn't considered a planet yet? It's way bigger than like Mercury and Venus.
I don't know. Is it because it's gas or something? I don't know. If you know that in the comment, drop it in the comments below. But I think it's because it's wasn't it because it was too small or something, Josh?
Yeah, right. Way bigger than.
Yeah, it is. Maybe it will say it down here. Let's go have a read of this.
We've had a look at the planets. I'm extremely interested.
Really?
And no.
You've been sarcastic. I'm quite interested in this. It's quite interesting.
Like it's cool, but like.
Gives you a bit of a headache though. With reading too much information.
We've read like one thing.
We need a little TikTok of it.
Yeah, facts.
Right guys, if anyone's interested, my weight on the moon is 30 pounds. And that is because the gravitational field strength on moon is much less than on Earth. So, interesting fact, weight is mass times gravitational field strength, so M times G.
Max times Georgie.
Got information on tides, eclipses, seasons, sun and stars paths. I'll go in the eclipses section. Ah, there you go. Lunar eclipse. We've decided to come outside. Look at the view from here. You can see the city over there, Hollywood sign there, and then we are on the observatory now.
We've come to the other side now. View's a little bit different. It's pretty cool.
Very hot.
It is very, very hot, but the view is amazing.
So out front there is a sundial, so it says, the shadow of the thing says it's 2:15 approximately, and it says 9 minutes past 2 on my phone. Pretty accurate. It probably is accurate. It's probably my phone that's off, but yeah, we're out front now. See the Hollywood sign here. Just had a photo, but I think we might go because it is extremely hot out here. We're like boiling.
We just got a couple of pictures together.
And we just missed the bus.
Yeah, just missed the bus. Not like it's boiling hot or anything, and I'm literally sweating.
It's not like it's 35 degrees.
Yeah. It actually is 35 degrees. So
yeah,
it's not even an exaggeration. And I unfortunately only have this long skirt. In fact, I have nothing. I wanted to wear nice outfits in LA, like some sort of cool person, and no. I only have like beach clothes, but what can you do?
We've come back inside and there is a Tesla coil here. That's very interesting. Wow. Big telescope. Ah, okay. And then they've got the different types of waves. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light rays. Interesting. This will say how hot I am. Are you ready? I'll go this way and then 93.2 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll try and get the camera on it, see how hot that is. 103 degrees. Oh, wow, 103 degrees. That's crazy. And this is information on why the astronomers came here to build the telescope. How many years ago? More than a century ago. So if you're interested in this stuff, pause and read that. And then this is a little model of where we are. Oh no, that's what it used to look like, I think. I was gonna say it's much bigger than that now. Oh wait, no. Ah, yeah, wow. So yeah, there's a few observatories around the US, as you can see here. Yeah, interesting. We've come back to the infrared camera, now Georgie's in it, measuring how hot we are.
Very hot.
And then how hot the camera is again. It is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That's crazy. Cool. We've just left and the bus is just leaving. Oh my. Georgie, it's all your fault. It's all your fault.
No.
We're gonna have to wait in the blistering heat for the next one again now. On the bus again. We've just jumped off the bus, packed like sardines on there, weren't we, Joy? It was annoying. Yeah, so
we've got to stop too early, so now we've got to walk.
So now we've got to walk. We parked the car all the way over there, so gonna get in the car now.
Maybe Max could run down and grab the car.
Oh, you gotta be joking. Right, if people can see this, it says we have a flight departing at 8 PM when we thought it was 10 PM because Spirit Airlines has changed us to 2 flights instead of 1 direct flight. So it's now 3 PM and we have to drop the car off, then get a 2-hour transport or $150 Uber to the airport. So we've got about, I don't know, 5 minutes to actually leave this place and go back to our place, get our bags, and then go to the car place, drop the car, and then get to the airport, check in, and then yeah.
Well,
so this is going to be rushed.
We were supposed to be actually I forgot what I was supposed to do.
Yeah, I think we were supposed to be flying at 10, as Georgie was going to say, but yeah, we're going to go now. Fire engines. Just arrived back at our place now. Time is 3:30. Not looking good because we've got a half-an-hour drive. Georgie's just getting the last bit of stuff now, but got a half-an-hour drive and then a 2-hour bus, so that's 4-6 if we left right now. So yeah, but I'll end the video here then. Sorry it's a bit of a short one today, but we're in a bit of a rush now and we didn't think it would come to this. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, drop any comments down below, and see you in New York.